Hello, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today I will show you how to create AI video just like that.
जब तुम रुक जाते हो तब तक सफलता नहीं रुकती। हारने वाले की हार नहीं होती, जीतने वालों की हार नहीं होती। अगर आपके विचार बदलेंगे तो आपकी दुनिया बदल जाएगी।
You can make AI videos without experience and knowledge in just a few clicks. And start earning to upload these videos on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So don't wait for more, let's start the video.
Part 1. Find the image. Go to Google and search AI avatar. Click on the image bar. Here you will find the image you liked and download it. And also you can use Playground, Midjourney, and more AI generator websites. I will use this image. Part 2. Generate script.
For this we use ChatGPT. To go ChatGPT website by clicking on the description link.
Go here and type your prompt. I will type 5 motivational quotes in Hindi after clicking here to start generating. Alright, our script is ready. Part 3. Generate voice. Go to this website by clicking the description link. Click on the Create an Audio Now button and click the More option. Here you will need to choose your script language and your desired voice. With these settings, you can skip it. Now here enter your script. Go back to chat. Copy your script and paste it here. Now click Create Audio button. You can see your voice is generating. OK. Now click the Download button to download your voice. Part 4. Generate video. Go to the Studio DID website by clicking the description link. Click Add button and upload your image. Here you need to choose your voice language. Now go to Audio and upload your voice. OK. Now click Generate Video button and click Generate. Part 5. Remove watermark and resize for shorts and reels.
Use this trick to remove your video watermark without any blur. Use video editor software as you like. I will use CapCut.
Click the Import button and import your video file. Now add this video to your track. Click the Ratio button and choose your desired video ratio. I will choose 9:16 for shorts and reels. Now resize your video to set it to the frame. You can see DID watermark
जब तुम रुक
hide.
जाते हो
You can also add captions to your video by clicking text. After complete editing, click Export. Choose your video resolution and click Export. Alright. Your video is ready for upload anywhere. Let's see how to look at this video.
जब तुम रुक जाते हो तब तक सफलता नहीं रुकती। हारने वाले की हार नहीं होती, जीतने वालों की हार नहीं होती। अगर आपके विचार बदलेंगे तो आपकी दुनिया बदल जाएगी। मुश्किलें आती हैं जाती हैं, रास्ते खुलते हैं बंद हो जाते हैं, लेकिन जो दिल से मांगोगे वही पाओगे। हमें नहीं बनना चाहिए किसी और के सपने का नक्शा, हमें तो खुद अपने सपनों के अभियंता बनना है। जब तुम रुक जाते हो तब तक सफलता नहीं रुकती।
Thanks for watching. If you like this video then please like and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss any updates. See you in the next video, till then bye bye, take care.